the last night on Earth party.
Right, goes on my list.
Yeah.
Sure. Let's get nice and quickly, guys. Don't have too much fun, okay?
Oh. Wow, look at this. I have to say, they're really cool posters, and of course you don't see any of this during the year.
To the left in here.
Yeah.
Push that and go to there.
Right, here we go. We are in Deadbeat. Now, Kurt took you through this last year without actually giving you any, I don't know, anything but what was in front of you. Well, I don't actually know exactly where we are. So I'm quite looking forward to this, to be honest. I think it's going to be quite scary. I know it's quite loud. Whoa. That is quite loud in here. Fancy a drink? I mean, it is very nightclubby, that is for sure. Everyone's sort of dancing. I don't know who's real and who's not real, and who's going to come at us. Game on, people. I think they've all been taken over. Okay, this looks a little bit darker in here. I will say, a little bit darker. Ah, the oxide gas. Oh, this gives me very sort of hospital vibes. Okay, make up room, make up room. Music's changing. What is going on in here? It's so loud. It is so loud in here. I think she's been possessed. I don't think I want to hang around for that. This way? Yeah! Oh, Jesus Christ! Yeah! What's wrong with you? What's wrong with them? Now, I will say it was really, really dark then, and I could not see them. I feel like I've been here before. I think we're going this way. It is so loud in here. It's a bit deja vu-y. I don't know what on earth is that. What is going on? Where did they come from? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. No. No. What is going on in here? Because I can't tell. Oh. Ah. And I think we've made it out. And out we go. There is Deadbeat. I really hope you enjoyed that. That was cracking fun. It's very weird because some of the rooms are quite samey to the others. We just said it's a bit like Edge of Forest, the new one at Alton Towers, oddly enough, where you're not quite sure where you are. It's very, very different in there, and I love the variety as well. The variety of the costumes, and I guess the monsters and the people that have been possessed. I just love the way they're just randomly dancing, just in the middle of a scare maze, and then just kind of cut to you last minute. Oh, it was great fun. I really, really enjoyed that.